Hello guys, I'm Eljan H. Fair from BSECE3C and this is ECE36 activity number 2. So this is an Arduino Uno R3. So I'll discuss some of the parts. So this part is the USB plug. Then you can see here the little red button, which is the reset pin. The upper side is the digital I/O pin. The microcontroller of Arduino Uno is Atmega 328P. And these are the analog input and output pin. The power pins, and these are some Arduino Uno tech specs. The microcontroller is Atmega 328P. The operating voltage is 5 volts. The input voltage recommended is 7 to 12 volts. The input voltage limit is 6 to 20 volts. The digital I/O pins is 14. The PWM digital I/O pins is 6. The analog input pins is 6. The DC current per I/O pin is 20 milliamps. The DC current for 3.3 volts pin is 50 milliamps. The flash memory is 32 KB is at Mega 328P, of which 0.5 KB is used by the bootloader. The SRAM is 2 KB. The EEPROM is 1 KB. The clock speed is 16 MHz. The LED built-in is 13, and the length is 68.6 mm. The width is 53.4 mm, and the weight is 25 grams. And while the Arduino Mega is tech specs are these. So we can see here the analog input pins of the Arduino Mega, the power pins, the DC jack or the power supply jack, the USB jack, the reset pin, the digital input and output pins, and the microcontroller, which is Atmega 2560. So Arduino Mega has some difference between Arduino Uno. So these are the tech specs of Arduino Mega. Microcontroller is Atmega 2560. The operating voltage is 5 volts. The input voltage is 7 to 12 volts. The input voltage limit is 6 to 20 volts. The digital I/O pins is 54. The analog input pins is 16. The DC current I/O pin is 20 milliamp. The DC current for 3.3 volt pin is 50 milliamp. The flash memory is 256 KB, which 8 KB is used by the bootloader. The SRAM is 8 KB. The EEPROM is 4 KB. The clock speed is 16 MHz. The LED built-in is 13. The length is 101.52 mm. The width is 53.3 mm, and the weight is 37 grams. So that's all. Thank you.